Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop coding tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use Blend photo editor and effect that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here I will going to search Blend photo editor. Alright, here it is, and before we install this application, let's go ahead and take a look at the images in here. So these are the things that you can do with your photos. You can add or customize your photos, just like these examples. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Photo Blender offers a quick way to transform your images and make them into imaginative works of art. Features includes combine photos to create artistic graphic design, seamlessly merge photos with various photo blending modes, a variety of real-time blend modes, photo merger and combiner, easily adjust the blend modes for better effects, swipe to change the position of background and foreground, erase unwanted parts of the image easily with erase tool, apply stunning photo effects and filters, and lastly, you can share with Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other social media platforms. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. So here it is, Blend photo editor and effect, and as you can see, you have these options: photo gallery, camera, and settings. So let's take a look at the settings first, and there's nothing much in here. As you can see, rate app, share app, privacy policy. So let's go back to the dashboard, and in this example we're just going to use the photo gallery. But if you want to take a selfie of yourself, then you can choose camera and then take photos of yourself and customize it. But in this example, I will just going to use the photo gallery, and these are the photos that I have. And in this example, I'm just going to use this one here, photos of Jackie Chan. Try this one. Alright, so you have the option to change the sizes. As you can see, 1 by 1, 3, 4, original, 3 to 16, 19, and then tap the check mark above. So in this example, I'm just going to use the original one and tap this one here. So these are the options now that we can customize. So as you can see, the default is this screen overlay. So normal, then screen and overlay. So you have the option to change it. So multiply, lighten, darken, add. Alright. The opacity, you can also adjust this there. You just have to move this horizontal bar to change the opacity. And if you want to change the background, then just tap this one here. So you have the option to change it there. Let's try classic first. Okay, this is classic city. Okay, some of the files here needs to be downloaded. Let's try this one here. So newspaper, cloud. All right, let's try city, and as you can see, you need to tap the download first. They're done. Okay, that's nice. I need something darker like this one. Okay, that's also good. Then you have the option to change it. So that's the normal background, and then the screen and overlay there, multiply, lighten, and so on. Okay, this is also good. I like this one. Light. So these are the examples that you can use your photos, and nature as well. They have nature, so you need to tap it first to download the filters. So just scroll to the right and you will see more options, like in this example here, space, textures, and so on. So let's say that this is what I want. Okay, let me move that, something like that. Okay, and I'm going to save this now. By the way, you can erase it As you can see here at the top portion, there's a lot of tools that you can use. This one is erase. There you have the option to use that. And this one here is if you want to reverse the background image, just tap this one here. Okay, this one is upside down, this one is left to right, and I prefer this one. Okay, and let's say that I will going to save this now. I'm just going to tap this one here. This is the result, and here at the bottom you will see this options. If you want to have a lighter background, then just select it there. So I prefer this one. Let me try. Okay, I think this one is cool. Okay, this one I like this one. So tap this one here to save changes, and there you have it. So you have the option to rate the app if you want to. I'm going to skip this part. And here are the options to share it to your social media like Instagram, Facebook. And if you tap these three dots, you will see more options. I'm going to skip that part, and this one here is if you tap this, it will be saved to your gallery. Okay, image saved to gallery. Now if you want to go back to the home page, your dashboard, just tap this home page here, home page icon at the top right, and you will be back here to where you started. Now I will not going to use the camera, okay, but if you want to take a selfie of yourself, take a photo of yourself and customize it or apply filters, then you can do so. So that's how easy it is. So let's try one more time, and this time let's try this one. Okay, and let's try this one here, lights. Okay, space and nature. Okay, so you need to choose the right backgrounds. It should match with the color. Okay, let's try this one. Looks good, but let me try other one. Okay, this one. Okay, this one looks amazing. Okay, let me try. Okay, that's normal. Screen overlay, lights. Okay, that's good. And then this one here, if you want a lighter version or darker versions, then just select here. I prefer this one. Okay, that's darker, lighter. This one is good. Let me save it now. Okay, there you have it. So that's how easy it is. It's very straightforward application that you can use to customize your photos, apply stunning photo effects and filters to your photos, and you have now the option to save it. Okay, image saved to gallery. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.